Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades. We do take into account losses. So for further details about joining us in the challenge for as little as $9 a month, and also further information with regards to exclusive in-depth strategy and how we go about completing the challenge, information is available in the description below. In the previous video, we did an important update on ticker symbol MULN, Mullen Automotive, so please refer back to the previous video for that stock. In today's video, we're going to be doing updates on ticker symbol MMAT, RDBX, and also another update on ticker symbol MULN, so stay tuned for updates on all three stocks. So before we start the updates, first thing we're going to have a look at is what's happening in the market right now at time of editing. So the good news here on the headline, what we can see is the Dow Jones has just closed 400 points higher amid interest rate hike discussions. So the major stock markets have had significant gains. So obviously we are still expecting upcoming interest rate increases. However, obviously what we have seen in terms of the markets is a general decline since January. So obviously a major perception amongst many investors is that we are close to the bottom, and hopefully this perceived interest rate increase and also the previous interest rate increases have been factored into account. And one more other piece of news I'd like to share with you here is something that you need to be aware of for tomorrow. If anybody's not aware of this, and there is still a chance to invest in ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. So if we have a look at the screen here, the stock split is been announced. So it's going to be effective before market open on Monday the 6th of June. So if you have a look at the screen here, the 20-for-1 forward split is going to be for every share of Amazon. So in terms of the overall market cap, that will not change. So the overall valuation of Amazon is not going to be changing. So if you currently have one share of Amazon, that one share will be replaced by 20 shares. So according to previous history, with stocks such as Tesla, where this has happened, generally the market behaves in terms of positively. So again, I'm sure everybody knows in terms of the background and reputation of Amazon. So if you want to get into this opportunity of getting a potential 20-for-1 stock split, the last chance to buy Amazon will be close of play Friday tomorrow. One more thing I'd like to share with you is a shout out to Lauren Rosenbeck, and this is with regard to a stock that was featured in the previous channel as well. That was ticker symbol SGML. So this is a lithium stock. So if anybody wants to find out a little bit more about this stock, there was detailed due diligence carried out for this stock. This stock has had an exceptional year, very close to 300% return over the previous 12 months, and it has defied expectations and it has beaten the market. So refer back to the previous video. So a shout out to Lauren here, and what she said in the comments is, thank you for the video. You have the most informative analysis of stocks I've seen on YouTube. I was able to get in on SGML on the dip yesterday, and I'm currently up in excess of 13%. So again, congratulations to Lauren and everybody else who managed to get in this stock. So I'm going to share with you the chart for ticker symbol SGML for close of play today. You'll see here the stock was up in excess of 13%, closing at $17.24. And yesterday was also a great opportunity to get into Sigma Lithium Corporation because it was on a nice dip. So again, and the final thing I'd like to share with you here is a copy of our watch list. This is shared exclusively with the Discord members, and you'll see at the bottom we called out SGML in terms of likely to have an excellent long-term growth in the production of lithium, and has given an improved target from Zach. So the other stocks that we called out was Redbox. Have a look at that. That's done exceptionally well this week. Ticker symbol IMPP is another one we called out. That's done exceptionally well. Ticker symbol IGA, that was up close of play 50% in excess of 50% last Friday, and it's also done exceptionally well this week as well. Oxy is another stock that we've been following. and as well as that, we've been looking at AVDL. So there are other stocks as well. So if you'd like to get advanced notification of our weekly watch list where we share these stocks prior to trading on the Monday, you can join the obviously the Discord for as little as $9 a month. And obviously not all the calls are successful, but certainly we try our best. Let's now have an update on ticker symbol MMAT, and there's a headline here I'd like to share with you from Newswire, and the headline here for Metamaterials is demonstrates the world's most transparent antenna in prescription lenses for extended reality applications. So in the previous video there has been some bullish updates on Metamaterials. George has also announced a contract. Although he's announced the contract, we're still waiting for revenue, but the signs are good. And what we have seen in the chart, again, as mentioned in the previous video, we have strong resistance right now around about the $2 mark. So we're getting close to breaking that resistance. But in terms of this headline here, AR Fusion, which is a trademark platform, and NanoWeb, transparent 5G antennas enable immersive mobile XR experiences by combining on-device advanced visualization, 5G, and edge-to-edge and edge-to-cloud data transfer. So again, great potential here. And obviously we have Metamaterials, which is a high performance developer of high performance functional materials and nano composites. So in terms of what's been announced in this news is a demonstration of the patent pending world's most transparent antenna in prescription lenses. So again, great potential for the future. Let's now have a look at an update for ticker symbol MULN, and this is some breaking news that was just released today on June the 2nd, 2022. So there's a headline here I'm going to share with you from Yahoo Finance. Headline here is a MULN Automotive CEO is to be featured on Benziga's All Access series. So this is very important for anybody potentially looking to invest in MULN Automotive, and as well as that, anybody who's already invested. So let's have a look at the further details here. So if anybody's interested in this interview is going to be on Friday, and if anything is significant in this interview, for example, if we get announcement of the Fortune 500 company, then this is certainly going to be very, very interesting. So again, a date for your diary here. So what we can see is David Mitchery, CEO and Chairman of MULN Automotive, will be featured on Benziga's All Access series Friday, June the 3rd, 11 AM Eastern Time. So again, important date for your diary there. And the final part of the article here I'm going to just have a look at is in terms of if anybody wants to get access to this, there is a link on the Yahoo page, and we've got an invitation for everybody to join for the interview. And again, we will be watching this very, very carefully in the Discord as well. So you can obviously use the link there to place your reservation to join. And the final stock we're going to look at is ticker symbol RDBX Redbox Entertainment. So this is a stock that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channel, and this is a stock that has been extremely volatile. So let's start by having a look at the chart. And again, good news for everybody holding this stock today. We can see the stock is up in excess of 18%, closing at $6.63. At one time, the stock did hit a high of $7.57. So this is a stock that we do encourage profit taking as soon as you hit a nice green. So if you can see here, just around about 5 PM UK time, the stock was at a peak, and there has been a little bit of a sell-off, but overall a great day for ticker symbol RDBX. Let's now finish off by having a look at the latest data for RDBX through Fintel and also through Ortex. So I remember this is a stock that has been featured in the channel and also was called as one of the stocks on our watch list. So if we have a look at this information latest from Ortex, we can see here again what's interesting is the cost to borrow is in terms of a maximum 851.91%. On an average, we're looking at 598.09%. The short interest is down 6.68%, and the current short interest as a percentage of the free float is 156.75%. So let's have a look at now in terms of the data from Fintel, and we can see from Fintel in terms of the short squeeze score here. Again, the stock is quite high. It's rated at 95.15 and it's number 15 out of 5,438. So again, an extremely volatile stock here, ticker symbol RDBX. It's also made its way onto the gamma squeeze score rating, and there it has a score of 93.97 and it's rated 35 out of 312. So let's now have a look at how the situation with regard to short shares available. And again, the latest information that we can see from Fintel here at time of editing on the 2nd of June 2022, there were no shares available. So again, it's getting a lot more difficult now for the shorts to short this stock. And the last thing I'm going to share with you here is a comparison of the cost to borrow. So we've seen in terms of the Ortex data, the maximum is just in excess of 800%, but according to Fintel here, again, the cost to borrow is 737.79%. So again, quite significantly high there. So certainly a stock that we will still be keeping an eye on. If anybody would like to get access to our watch list where we share stocks in advance such as SGML and other stocks such as Redbox and also MULN Automotive, as well as giving an opportunity to take part in our live trading discussion, you can join the Discord for as little as $9 a month. This will also give you access to the challenge as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.